Abortion is legal and protected in Washington state. In Washington state, abortion is legal. People of any age can choose or refuse to have an abortion. You don't need consent from a parent, guardian, or partner. You have the right to abortion in Washington. You have the fundamental right to have an abortion for any reason before the fetus can live outside your body or if it is necessary to protect your life or health. If you have a medical emergency that may require abortion as a treatment, you have the right to receive a life-saving abortion at any hospital in Washington where you choose to get care. People from other states can get abortion care in Washington. You can come from anywhere outside of Washington to get abortion services. You do not need to be a legal resident of Washington or a citizen of the United States. Washington state law enforcement and courts are not allowed to help other states with investigations or legal actions if you get abortion care in Washington. Your abortion information is private in Washington. Washington protects your right to reproductive health privacy. However, there are important steps you need to take to ensure your abortion information stays private. To learn more, go to our page on your privacy. While Washington law ensures websites, apps, and social media platforms cannot collect or share your personal health data without your consent, it is still important to protect your digital privacy. This can help prevent others from getting information about your abortion. Insurance must cover abortion in Washington. All health insurance plans from Washington state that cover pregnancy or maternity services are legally required to also cover abortion services. In general, health plans from Washington may not charge you a copay for abortion care. Washington Medicaid Apple Health covers abortion care, after abortion care, and after abortion birth control. If you are having problems paying for abortion care, you can get help from a clinic or the Northwest Abortion Access Fund. Providence Health Insurance does not cover abortion services. If you are a Providence Health client, the Department of Health can cover your abortion services. You have the right to get abortion safely. And Washington law says that nobody is allowed to stop you from going to a place where you can get medical care, including abortion care. For example, if you see protesters outside a clinic, it is illegal for them to physically block you from entering. How to find a trusted abortion provider. To find abortion care in Washington, you can contact your regular healthcare provider for a referral or visit our website. It is okay if you don't have a regular healthcare provider. You can just contact an abortion clinic directly to schedule an appointment. You can get abortion care from all trained providers in Washington, including Advanced Registered Nurse Practitioners, also known as ARNP or NP, Certified Nurse Midwives, also known as CNM, Physicians, also known as MD or DO, Physician's Assistants Associates, also known as PA, and pharmacists who can prescribe medication abortion only. Abortion pills through telehealth. A telehealth medication abortion means meeting a provider over the computer or phone to get pills that will cause you to have an abortion. You might need to make an in-person appointment with a provider if you don't know how long you've been pregnant or are too far along in your pregnancy. You can find telehealth medication abortion providers serving patients in Washington through Plan C. Avoid anti-abortion centers. Anti-abortion facilities, sometimes called crisis pregnancy centers, CPCs, or pregnancy resource centers, may have licensed medical providers on staff, but they do not provide abortions, abortion referrals, or other sexual and reproductive health services. To avoid anti abortion facilities and find a trusted abortion provider in Washington, you can visit our website or contact a healthcare provider for a referral. Find abortion care outside Washington. If you aren't in Washington and want to find an abortion provider near you, use one of these trusted national abortion finders on our website.